So today we are going to make caterpillar and we are using two colors of sheets. What are they?
Yellow and brown.
Yellow and brown. So let's start.
Yeah.
Okay. So Priyank is going to start with brown color. We have cut the sheets into round circles. Okay. Now.
Yellow.
Okay. One brown, one yellow.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Now again brown color.
Brown color.
Now which color, Priyank?
Yellow.
Yes. Now which color?
Brown.
Yes. Pick it up again. Yes. Yes. Now, yes, yellow. Yes. Now which color?
Brown.
Yes.
Middle.
Now which color?
Yellow.
Now.
Mama, now yes.
Yes, now ears. Ready, Priyank?
Yeah.
Now,
Now.
Priyank is going to make eyes of caterpillar. Now make lips.
Okay.
Ready, Priyank?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me. I like your caterpillar.
Okay.
Wow, well done, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Eat like